Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're going to talk about Telekinesis motivation. The question is, why are we learning telekinesis? Why do we want to learn how to move objects with our minds? This is a very tricky question, actually, when you think about it. Sometimes we want to do things, but we don't know why. Sometimes we want to make a bunch of money and we have no idea why, because we never think about it. And this is why I'm making this video right now, to make you think, make you understand the reason why you want to learn telekinesis in the first place. And a very nice way, a very easy way to identify, to figure out why you want to do those things is just answer those 3 questions. And I'm gonna answer those questions with you. So the first question is, why do I want to learn telekinesis? The answer could be, I wanna impress my friends, or I want to be better than the average, or in my case, I want people to know that telekinesis is real. And the first answer, the first question is pretty easy to answer. But the second question is, why do we want this? Why do we want to impress our friends with telekinesis? Why do I want people to know that telekinesis is real? Now it's getting a little more complicated, so I stick with the first answer. So why do I want to impress my friends with telekinesis? Maybe I don't have that many friends. Maybe I don't feel special enough. Maybe now I want to be I just want to be liked, okay? And if that's the answer, you have to ask yourself the third question. Why do we want to be liked? Why do we want more friends? Or why do we want those friends to stick with us? And the answer could be, I don't want to be lonely. I just love being with people. But in the end, the true answer should be, I want to be happy. Happiness is the answer to all of these questions. Happiness is what we want from all of these things we do in our lives. Happiness is why we get up in the morning, work hard, try to make a bunch of money, try to have friends, try to have a girlfriend, a boyfriend. This is why we learn telekinesis, to develop our minds, to be strong and learn patience and be kind to others, being nice, being grateful. This is why we do all that. Happiness is the answer. And I don't want to tell you how you're supposed to live your life. You live your own life. I'm just here to help you. I just try to help you with telekinesis to make your life better, because this is what happened to me. Because of telekinesis, I found my wife. I found happiness in my life, because I knew I was destined to do more with my life. And my destiny, my personal destiny, is to teach telekinesis to you. My destiny is not to do it in my living room by myself. What's the point of that? My destiny is to help you guys to understand, to help you guys to learn telekinesis yourself. And this is what this YouTube channel is for. And I'm sorry that I have to wear this mask, and I'm very sorry that I can't do private lessons or calls and all this stuff. I know you guys want that. I know you guys ask for it, but unfortunately I can't do that right now, because I have to keep my identity secret. But maybe someday I can remove this mask. Maybe I can talk to you face to face, and I really hope this is gonna happen. But for that, I need to normalize telekinesis. So my motivation is to make telekinesis normal, that everybody knows about it, and one day I can remove this mask and we can do telekinesis together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And See you in the next video. Have a good day.